Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Zeno Allen Beauty. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find clients on Twitter. For today's video, I'm going to be using makeup as an example. That's just because it's easier for me, but I'm sure that you can try this technique with a different type of freelancing career that you have. So with Twitter is not really like my favorite app to use, like as far as social media. I really like to use Instagram more than Twitter, and even Facebook. Like Instagram is like my main social media outlet or platform. And that's just because I'm a visual type of person. I just like looking at pictures and, you know, it's just Instagram type of stuff. So we're gonna use Twitter today to find clients. So being a freelancer is pretty hard because we have to find our clients and we gotta make sure we keep a steady flow of clients. So it's almost like you're constantly in a search for clients. Okay, so when you're posting your content as a freelancer, you want to make sure you always use your hashtags, and you want to narrow it down to your location, because that's mainly where you're going to be doing your work, right? Unless you travel, you can just post like you can use the hashtags like for that location, but I feel like it's easier if you just use it for your direct location, like where you live at. So you would want to use, like I'm in North Carolina, so I would use hashtag NC makeup artist, and that's just for other people to find you. But this is how you can actually like find makeup clients, because people post stuff on Twitter all the time. So people are posting like, oh, I need a makeup artist or a hairstylist for something or whatever. So you want to open up your Twitter app, and then you're gonna press on the search button, and then you'll see the search bar where you can search Twitter. Okay, so this is the search part of the Twitter app, and then where you see the search bar right here, you're gonna click on that. So it already has up there where I had searched for NC makeup artist, and then Twitter has like those options where it has like the top post, and then the latest post, and you want to click on the latest post because those are more recent posts. Because if you click on the first one, which is like the top section, it's going to have tweets from like 2015. You don't want that. It's 2019, so you want to look for those posts. So we're going to click on the latest section. Okay, so it has a whole bunch of posts where people use the hashtag NC makeup artists. And so you want to just scroll through. Like, this takes time, so you have to take the time out to actually do this, because it's like so many posts on Twitter, so you have to actually like look through, because most of the time it's just like other makeup artists like promoting their work, but then sometimes it's like people looking for a makeup artist. So you have to do this like daily, and I had mentioned this like in my other how to find clients video for Facebook. Like, you have to do it daily because people are like constantly using their social media, they're making posts. So you want to try to keep up with that. So yeah, so you can use hashtag NC makeup artist. Well, you want to just look up, not use the hashtag for this, but just type in NC makeup artist, or since I'm in Durham, or I can even use Raleigh, I can type in Raleigh NC makeup artist. And you want to always click on the latest tab, not the top tab, because you're going to be looking at tweets from 2012 or 2015, and that's just, you know, that's not really going to help you out. So you want to be looking at like current 2019 tweets. Okay, so you can type into the search bar, you can type in need makeup artist, and then you want to go to this little tab right here. It's like these two little lines, almost like a adjuster type of thing. You want to click on that. So you're going to click on that little tab, and then you want to, they have like a section where it's people, they break it down to like people, and then location and content. So you want to put you want to go to the location part, and then you want to put near you. So you're going to click on that one, because like the first option is like anywhere, but you don't want to do that unless you just want to travel or whatever for your freelance jobs. but it's easier if you just put near you. And you want to keep from the people section, you want to keep up there from anyone, because I mean, for me, like personally, I don't have that many followers on Twitter, so I want to see posts from like anybody that's in my area. And so you want to click apply. Depending on your area, like nothing might not come up for your area, so you want to just keep playing around with it. Like you can type in need makeup artist, or you can just type in need MUA, because that's what most people use. So you want to try both, so you won't like limit your search or whatever. So if you don't find anything from like using makeup artist, you can just try MUA, because that's what most people use. And you want to make sure you always use your location. So you want to keep playing around with it, and sometimes you don't even have to put into the search bar, like you don't have to put like need MUA and then your city, because you're already using the search filter. That's what it's called, search filter. So that little tab right next to the search bar is called the search filter. So you want to tap on that, and then you don't have to actually type in your the area that you're in. You can just put it into the search filter, and you can just put near you. So it kind of like just does it for you. So if you don't find anything, don't get discouraged. You just have to play around with it and just use, like sometimes you have to search for things like how other people would search for it. So you have to just keep playing around with it. But it is, you know, opportunity to find freelance gigs on Twitter. Okay, so that is how you can find clients through Twitter. I hope this technique helped you out in any type of way. And it's okay if you don't find a client on there. I mean, this is not the only way that you can find clients. I just want to share this technique because it helped me out. You have to just keep trying it, and it really depends on your location. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel for more videos.